Tuesday night saw 7 games of round 10 EuroLeague action, so let's talk about it. Dubai snapped Fenerbahce's 7-game win streak. This was a back and forth game for the first 3 quarters, but then Dubai took over in the fourth, winning it 33-21. Kenan Kamanyas, he had 20 points, and Alexa Avramovic on his return to the court finished with 17. Fenerbahce beat Maccabi Tel Aviv in a game that looked pretty comfortable at times as they were up by as many as 20 in the third quarter, but Maccabi continued to fight back and actually took the lead in the fourth quarter. Thankfully though for the home team, they had momentum down the stretch, Wade Baldwin with some big shots, and they take home the win. Hapoel Tel Aviv had a convincing win over Baskonia. They led the entire way in this one. They're up by 10 at half, and Baskonia did continue to fight in the third and the fourth quarter, but Hapoel kept them at arm's length and ended up holding on for the win. Elijah Bryant led for them with 24 points. Partizan held on to beat AS Monaco in what was a really dramatic game. They ended a 4-game losing streak as well, but they were up 64-49 heading into the fourth quarter. And then in the final frame, they let Monaco go on a 22-0 run, end up taking the lead. And then the final 2 minutes, they were just full of errors from both teams. But in the end, it is Partizan that managed to hold on for that win. Virtus Bologna beat Anadolu Efes by 10 points, and in this game they actually broke their team's 3-point record. They hit 18 in this game. There was a lot of hustle and they executed really well in transition. They opened up a double-digit lead down the stretch and just continued to pull themselves away. Carson Edwards hit a big 3 late on, and in the end, Virtus Bologna, they win by 10. Valencia had an emphatic win over Real Madrid, and they are now 2-0 against Spanish sides this season and 4-0 at home at the Roig Arena when there have been crowds. Real Madrid, though, they dropped to 1-5 on the road. They are really struggling away from Madrid. And in this one, it was back and forth in the first half, but then Valencia did take the lead in the second quarter and led the entire second half. Amari Moore led for them with 16 points. And the final game of the night was another dramatic one as Panathinaikos hold on to beat Paris. Paris have now lost 4 straight and their early season positivity has completely disappeared. It was very back and forth this one, but then a 12-3 run in the fourth quarter took Panathinaikos into the lead. And then down the stretch, Juancho Hernan Gomez and TJ Shorts both hit some really clutch shots. And Kenneth Farid on his debut for Panathinaikos finishes with 17 points and 10 rebounds.